Welcome to our channel. Maximizing your Firestick's capabilities means using all legitimate features and apps effectively. Follow these step-by-step instructions for the best experience. Step 1. Customize your interface by rearranging apps, removing unwanted recommendations, and setting your preferred home screen content. Step 2. Use Alexa voice commands for faster navigation. Say, "Alexa, open Netflix," or "Alexa, find action movies," to quickly access content. Step 3. Connect external devices like soundbars or gaming controllers via Bluetooth for enhanced audio and gaming experiences. Step 4. Enable screen mirroring to cast content from your phone or tablet to your TV through Firestick. Great for sharing photos or presentations. Step 5. Install browsers like Silk or Firefox to access web content directly on your TV. Useful for checking streaming service websites or online videos. Step 6. Set up multiple user profiles if your streaming services support them. This keeps recommendations and watch histories separate for family members. Step 7. Use the Firestick remote app on your smartphone as a backup or more convenient remote control option. Step 8. Optimize your settings for the best video quality. Go to Settings, Display and Sounds, and set video resolution to match your TV's capabilities. Explore official features rather than seeking secret unlocks or hacks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.